Welcome back to Auto Expert, the channel where we explore the latest and most advanced cars from around the world with an honest eye for detail and a passion for driving. Today we take a closer look at one of the most anticipated vehicles coming into the American market in 2026, the Subaru Outback 7th generation. This model continues a long legacy of reliability, ruggedness, and versatility but now brings forward new levels of technology, comfort, and design. In this review we will go step by step, covering the advanced features, headlight design, bumper style, engine performance, interior with a special focus on steering and power backup, the tires, rear lighting and back structure, and of course the important improvements that set this generation apart from its predecessors. The 2026 Subaru Outback 7th generation is built on the latest Subaru global platform, which has been further refined for rigidity, safety, and ride comfort. Subaru has positioned this vehicle as the ultimate blend of crossover practicality and adventure-ready toughness. At the core of its appeal is the ability to function both as a family car for everyday use and a dependable companion for long trips across rough terrains. With each generation, Subaru improves not only the mechanical reliability but also integrates advanced driver assistance technologies and modern connectivity that keeps pace with the growing demands of drivers today. Starting with advanced features, the 2026 Outback introduces Subaru's most refined version of EyeSight driver assistance. This includes wide-angle cameras, radar-based blind spot monitoring, lane centering, and adaptive cruise control that feels more natural than in the past models. For the first time, Subaru is offering a semi-autonomous highway driving mode that can manage acceleration, braking, and steering under certain conditions, making long highway journeys more relaxing. The infotainment system has been upgraded to a larger 13-inch touchscreen with improved responsiveness, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a new voice-controlled assistant. The cabin integrates multiple USB-C charging points, a wireless charging pad, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot for passengers. Another standout is the emergency power backup system integrated into the hybrid variant, which allows the vehicle to provide electricity for external devices or even small household appliances during outages, a nod to Subaru's adventure-driven philosophy. Turning our attention to the headlights, Subaru has embraced a slimmer, more aggressive LED design for the Outback. The adaptive matrix LED headlights automatically adjust brightness to avoid blinding oncoming drivers while still maximizing visibility. In addition, the headlights now integrate a cornering function that illuminates the direction in which the steering wheel is turned, improving nighttime safety on winding roads. The light signature is distinct, giving the Outback a premium, modern look that aligns with higher-end SUVs while still maintaining Subaru's rugged DNA. The front bumper of the 2026 Outback has been reshaped to offer both aerodynamics and off-road functionality. It has a stronger protective lower section with integrated skid plates that give it durability against gravel and uneven terrain. The fog lights are now slimmer, positioned deeper into the bumper design, and surrounded by protective cladding. The overall design strikes a balance between modern city styling and practical off-road readiness. Subaru has clearly paid attention to airflow, as small vents guide air around the bumper to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. When it comes to the engine, Subaru continues to offer multiple options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter flat-4 delivering solid efficiency for daily commuting, while the more exciting option is the turbocharged 2.4-liter boxer engine producing around 260 horsepower. This engine ensures strong acceleration and plenty of torque for highway merges and mountain drives. For 2026, Subaru has fine-tuned the continuously variable transmission to reduce the rubber band effect and provide smoother, more direct power delivery. The hybrid variant combines the flat-4 with an electric motor system for improved efficiency, better low-end torque, and the ability to run short distances purely on electric power. What makes the Boxer engine still stand out is its low center of gravity, enhancing stability in corners and giving the Outback a more planted feel. Fuel economy has been slightly improved over the previous model, thanks to lighter construction materials and aerodynamic enhancements. Moving inside, the steering system deserves its own mention. Subaru has introduced an electric power steering system that feels more responsive while retaining natural feedback. Drivers will notice smoother handling in tight city conditions and more stability at higher speeds. The steering wheel itself is leather-wrapped, heated, and integrates touch-sensitive controls for multimedia, navigation, and advanced driving modes. Alongside the steering comes the unique feature of power backup. In hybrid trims, the Outback can serve as a mobile generator, with outlets in the trunk and cabin capable of delivering enough power for camping gear, electronics, and even emergency equipment. This is an important advancement for outdoor enthusiasts who want their vehicle to be a true support system in remote locations. The tire setup continues Subaru's tradition of offering all-terrain readiness. The 2026 model rides on 18 to 20-inch wheels depending on the trim, with new all-season tires designed for both comfort and grip. The sidewalls have been slightly reinforced to reduce puncture risk on rocky surfaces while maintaining quiet operation on smooth highways. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system remains one of the best in class, distributing power efficiently to all four wheels for excellent traction in rain, snow, and mud. With X mode, the system adapts to off-road conditions automatically, adjusting throttle, braking, and transmission to keep the vehicle stable even on slippery slopes. Taking a closer look at the back side, the taillights are redesigned with a sleek LED pattern that mirrors the front light signature. The lighting provides stronger visibility and a modern touch, wrapping around the edges of the vehicle to emphasize width. The rear bumper has also been reinforced with cladding and a skid plate, giving protection when loading gear or navigating rugged trails. The power tailgate comes standard on higher trims, and Subaru has introduced a gesture-controlled system allowing drivers to open the trunk with a simple wave of the hand. Inside the cargo space, practicality remains a top priority, with foldable rear seats that create a flat load floor, multiple tie-down points, and hidden underfloor compartments for tools and emergency equipment. When we look at the most important aspects of this model, a few elements stand out strongly. Safety remains at the forefront, with Subaru maintaining top crash test ratings and adding more proactive safety measures. The hybrid system and backup power capability show Subaru's commitment to blending environmental responsibility with real-world usability. The improvements to suspension tuning and steering feel make the vehicle more refined, giving drivers the confidence of an SUV with the comfort of a modern crossover. The design evolution keeps it rugged yet contemporary, appealing to both loyal Subaru owners and new buyers who might have considered other brands before. What makes the 2026 Outback 7th generation truly shine is the philosophy behind it. Subaru understands that this vehicle is not only for city commutes but also for outdoor exploration. Every design choice reflects that dual nature, from the advanced headlights that guide you through dark mountain paths, to the reinforced bumpers and tires that handle rough ground, to the cabin technology that keeps passengers connected and safe. Even the smallest details, such as improved sound insulation, higher quality materials inside, and ergonomically placed controls, reflect the brand's understanding of driver needs. Another important highlight is Subaru's focus on sustainability. Many of the materials used in the interior are now eco-friendly, and the hybrid system is designed not only to reduce emissions but also to complement the rugged utility of the Outback. Unlike some hybrid crossovers that compromise performance, the Outback Hybrid maintains towing capacity and off-road ability. For those seeking even greater efficiency, Subaru is preparing a plug-in hybrid option that can deliver longer electric-only driving range, ideal for city dwellers who still want a capable adventure vehicle on weekends. In summary, the 2026 Subaru Outback 7th generation is more than just an update. It represents a careful evolution of a beloved model that continues to blend practicality, adventure, safety, and technology in one cohesive package. The new headlights give it a modern face, the bumper strengthens its presence, the engine options ensure both efficiency and power, the steering and backup system add versatility, the tires keep it ready for all seasons, and the back design combines style with usability. Most importantly, the model reinforces Subaru's promise to deliver vehicles that adapt to every part of life, from daily commutes to weekend explorations and even emergency situations. That brings us to the end of today's review on Auto Expert. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Subaru Outback 7th generation and want to see more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.